Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best small kitchen appliances that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're cooking, blending, or brewing, these appliances will make your kitchen time more efficient and enjoyable. All the product links are in the description below, so let's get started with the countdown. Starting off our countdown at number 5, we have the Chefman electric kettle. This budget-friendly option is perfect for anyone who enjoys a quick cup of tea, coffee, or even instant noodles. With its 1500-watt power, this kettle boils water in just 3 minutes, making it a lifesaver on busy mornings. The borosilicate glass design, paired with stainless steel accents and blue LED indicator lights, gives it a sleek, modern look that elevates your countertop aesthetic. The build quality is impressive for the price, featuring a BPA-free, durable glass body and a heat-resistant handle for safe handling. The removable lid makes cleaning a breeze, and the automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection ensure you can leave it unattended without any worries. It's lightweight and cordless, so you can easily pour without dealing with messy cords. In terms of value, this kettle is unbeatable for under $25. However, it's quite basic compared to other appliances on this list, as it only serves one function. If you're looking for an affordable, efficient way to boil water, the Chefman electric kettle is a solid choice. And the downside, some users report minor durability issues with the lid over time. So it's best suited for occasional rather than heavy daily use. At number 4, we have the Magic Bullet Blender, an iconic small appliance for anyone who loves quick and simple food prep. This compact blender comes with an 11-piece set, including different cups, blades, lids, and even a to-go cup with a secure lid. With its 250-watt motor base, the Magic Bullet can chop, blend, grind, and whip your ingredients effortlessly, making it perfect for smoothies, sauces, dips, and more. Its lightweight and compact design make it ideal for smaller kitchens or for anyone who needs a portable solution. Despite its small size, its versatility is impressive. The high-impact plastic cups are durable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. However, the 250-watt motor might struggle with tougher ingredients like frozen fruits or ice, so it's best used for softer foods. Given its price point, the Magic Bullet offers fantastic value, especially for single servings and quick recipes. It's not the most powerful blender on the market, but for less than $35, it's a great addition to any kitchen. The main drawback, it can be noisy, and its capacity is limited, so it's not the best option for larger families or heavy-duty blending tasks. Coming in at number 3 is a versatile and functional product, the Umate Chef Mixing Bowls with airtight lid set. This 26-piece set is a dream for bakers and home cooks alike, featuring 6 stainless steel mixing bowls in various sizes, airtight lids, and an assortment of kitchen gadgets like graters, measuring spoons, and more. The non-slip silicone bottoms ensure the bowls stay put during mixing, even on slick countertops. The stainless steel construction is durable, rust-resistant, and easy to clean, while the mirrored interior finish minimizes food sticking. The airtight lids make this set perfect for prepping and storing ingredients or leftovers. The addition of grater attachments is a game changer, allowing you to shred or slice directly into the bowls without extra mess. This set is ideal for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen essentials. While it offers great versatility, the lids require hand washing, and the bowls aren't microwave safe. Still, for the price and the sheer number of tools included, this set is a fantastic value for anyone who spends time in the kitchen. Taking the number 2 spot is an absolute kitchen powerhouse, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini. This multi-cooker combines 7 appliances into one compact device, allowing you to pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, make yogurt, warm food, and even sterilize. With a 3-quart capacity, it's perfect for smaller households or for side dishes. The stainless steel build is durable and easy to clean, with a dishwasher-safe inner pot and lid. It also boasts 11 one-touch cooking programs, so even beginners can whip up delicious meals with minimal effort. The Instant Pot Duo cooks up to 70% faster than traditional methods, making it a lifesaver on busy weeknights. Plus, it comes with a free app featuring over 1,900 recipes to keep you inspired. While it's on the pricier side, the Instant Pot Duo offers unmatched versatility. Its safety features, like overheat protection and a locking lid, give you peace of mind during use. The only downside is its learning curve. New users may need time to master its various functions. Still, if you want an appliance that can do it all, the Instant Pot Duo is a fantastic investment. Finally, at our #1 spot, we have the Ninja 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer. This premium small kitchen appliance is a game changer for anyone looking for a healthier way to enjoy their favorite fried foods. The 5-quart capacity can handle up to 4 pounds of French fries, making it perfect for families. Its 400-degree Fahrenheit max temperature and air crisp technology deliver crispy, golden results with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. The design is both sleek and functional, with a non-stick basket and crisper plate that are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Beyond air frying, this appliance can roast, reheat, and dehydrate, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're crisping up leftovers or drying out fruit snacks, the Ninja Air Fryer does it all efficiently and evenly. While it's the most expensive option on our list, the Ninja 4-in-1 Pro justifies its price with superior performance, durability, and versatility. The only real downside is its size. It's bulkier than some other appliances, so make sure you have the counter space. If you're looking for the ultimate air fryer that delivers on every front, this is the one to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which product you're most excited about, or if there's another appliance you think should have made the list. I'll see you in the next video.